again, it's a very big encyclopedia. Believe me, it is not only a home science, but it also is a total science. Believe me, whenever you Google, you have so many varieties. Generally, we make food with items, but have you ever tried with flowers? Yes, today we are going to make something with flowers. Today we are going to use bird eye flower. It is a purplish color, indigo color, and believe me, this juice again, or the squash or the drinks, cocktails you make with this are truly yummy. It's the most simplest thing, and keep watching my videos. So simple to make.
These are the bird eye flowers. These are edible flowers. So I'll pluck these flowers and make a dish. Today I have this bird eye flower. They look like this. These are from my garden. We'll make few dishes with this. Since very long I have been trying, but every time I grow this plant I generally get the white in color. This is the white, so I could not make anything. So white you can just offer for the prayers, and this blue color you can use for cooking. These are edible flowers. So we'll make few dishes with this. We'll wash them. So with these flowers we'll be boiling today. So this I'll be adding to one bowl, and we shall add water to this, very little, half a cup will do, a little more, and we shall boil it. So the water is boiling. You can see the beautiful indigo color. So we shall strain this water and store this water in glass jar, and you can use for many dishes like rotis, puris, dosas, cakes, muffins, colorful muffins. So these flowers are edible, so enjoy if you have this plant at your place. So now we'll strain the water and store the water in the glass jar. So today we are going to make bird eye flower juice. So have you ever tried this? With flower juices we can make. So let's move to the process. To this I'll be adding this faluda seeds, sabja seeds, or the tulsi seeds, basil seeds you can see. I shall pour little juice into this of the flower, purple color flower. To this I shall add the faluda seeds. 1 spoon will do, that's enough. Have you ever tried this juice? Natural juice, believe me. And to this we'll be adding Sprite. To give the sweetness or the fizz thing, I'm going to add Sprite to this, and to retain the color of the indigo. So have you tried this juice? Fizz, then you have, wow. Isn't it tempting? Yes. So let's serve. Let's enjoy the bird eye flower juice. So if you're liking this process, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do share with your friends, and please do comment. That's the most important thing. And have you tried this, and how did you like it? Just see the color. Beautiful color.
Isn't it shocking and interesting? The process is very simple. Have you ever tried? Yes, we can try with many flowers. You can use the edible flowers and you can make. And this one was really, I have been trying to make this since very long, but every time I buy the plant, I have the white color flower of the same bird eye flower, but we cannot make with white color. These white flowers are used for the worshipping, and purple color or the indigo color flowers you can make for the drinks. So enjoy. I myself found it very interesting. Believe me, it is truly yummy. One must definitely try this. And if you're liking it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. My name is Rajani Sharma Madan, and believe me, many more interesting things coming up. And shukrana for watching.